So good evening to all the D4 participants for the 6th session. Am I right? Is it 6th session, right?
Seven, sir.
7. I was having doubt. Is the audio clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, so I'll just change it. 7th session. Also, welcome for people for watching from YouTube. Okay, as we said, I'm clearing all the feedback. Okay, let's start from where we have left last time. Okay, so where did we leave? We started with, okay, proving something. Okay, there we left. So we had a set. What was our set? A is set of real numbers with what property? There exists A comma B in Z cross N such that X equal to A by B. So already we saw A equal to Q. All of you identified this is a set of rationals. But I wanted a proof. Okay. So let's start from there. As I said, we should do it. Okay. So be ready now. So which way we want to do now? Start from there. Yeah. So I want to prove two sets are equal. So therefore, all of you know what I should do, right? A equal to Q means A is a subset of Q and Q is a subset of A. That's what I have to prove. Okay. So what is remaining to be proved? We have to prove Q is a subset of A. Okay. I want one of you to start. Okay, let's start. So those who are ready, I'll give you 30 seconds. Quick, be ready. Respond quickly. If you are ready, say yes. If you have a doubt, put a cross or ask question mark. Why only one response? What was happening? I don't know what's happening to your class. We wanted to prove Q is a subset of A. So how to start? That's my question. I'm not asking you to prove full. Start step by step. If you know how to start, even that you say yes. But I could see a lot of doubts. Okay. Krishnamurthy, R8, Krishnamurthy, what is your doubt?
Sir, I don't know to prove that, sir.
If you don't know, then you don't say yes. But how to start the proof? You don't know that? If I want to say Q is a subset of A, what should I do?
Every elements in Q are also in A, sir.
This is 7th day. If I want to prove Q is a subset of A, what is this? What is that I have to do? Say in quantifier.
We have to prove.
We have to prove.
Every elements in Q is also in.
Or don't say elements and all. Say precisely. For
every X belongs to Q. X also belongs to A.
This is what I have to prove, right?
Yes,
so,
sir.
To be proved. But you know, but why you are responding? This is what I have to prove. So to prove this, how should I start the proof? Krishnamurthy, you answer.
Sir, I don't know.
For each and every X, no? How should I start?
Yes, sir.
How should I start the proof?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay, let's ask someone. Abhinaya. R3 Abhinaya.
We should take an element. Let X belongs to Q.
See, this is for arbitrary. For any X in Q, I have to prove X is in A. Start with an X in A, right? Let X belong to Q. Sorry, start with X in Q, not in A. I'm sorry, I said wrong. I have to start with X in Q and prove that X is in A. Okay, I'm clearing all the feedback. First, is that clear to all of you? This is what I said. Conceptually, understanding is difficult for you. So you should have come for yesterday's doubt clearing session, but I couldn't see anyone coming there. When we ask questions, you are unable to say, but you are having a feeling of understanding. What happened to R3, Epsiba, Jasmine, Jennifer, Denzel? So many people are not responding. If you hereafter find people not responding for 2 times, strict action will be taken. You may be suspended. We want people to respond. We take it very seriously. Lot of people have sacrificed their time. You could see how many mentors are there, how many teachers are there. Okay, they have sacrificed time for you. So, in reciprocation, we want, okay, healthy participation from you. And we are giving things also. See, if you have doubt, you can ask, what happened to Rahul, Deepika? See, when I say, you are responding. Kavipriya, Darshini, lot of time Kavipriya is not responding at all. I don't know, Shweta. Okay, anyway, mentors, take care. Just see who has not responded. Hereafter, I am going to ask those persons who are not responding also. So I have to start with arbitrary X in Q and prove that X is in A. Now I am clearing all the feedback. Okay, so let's start with X in Q. What is the next step? Quick. Don't take a lot of time. Quick. If you are ready, press yes. We know our aim. We want to prove X is in A. But anyway, what is the next step? To say X in A, we have to look at the definition of A and say that X satisfies that. Okay. Waiting for your response. I'll give 10 more seconds for your answer. Okay, R9 Shalini.
There exists P, Q belongs to Z.
Then by definition of Q, you should say that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
By definition of a rational number. Okay. There exists. Good. Say.
P, Q
Ah.
belongs to Z
Hmm.
with Q not equal to 0.
And
X is equal to P by Q.
excellent. Very good. This is what I want. You have to say it precisely. See, don't understand the idea, but one has to say it very precisely. Okay. Now, what is the next step? Next step is saying that X is in A, but for that I have to find A and B. Is the point clear to you? Because if some element is in A, means I have to find A comma B in Z cross M such that X equal to A by B. That means I have to find A comma B. I have to say what is the choice for A and what is the choice for B. So I have to choose A and B. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Now you have to say how it should start. Okay, let's ask someone else. Okay, I'll clear the feedback. Ask. Okay, next step. Who are all ready? Quick. Why today it's very slow? We have done that in the previous class and we have asked you to revise also. I think it will go very fast, but actually it's going very slow. Says you are not preparing at all. You are not revising. See, that's the preparation. Be mentally prepared for next class. Okay. Only 15 are ready with the next step. That's not fair. Okay, let's ask someone from R1. R1, Jesubai, Sherina. Jesubai, Sherina,
Yes, sir.
what is the next step?
Every elements in the A or in the form A by B.
Okay, that's okay. I got to choose A and B. Now you got to give me choices.
A is P and B is Q.
That may not be right. We said on the day, it could be 4 by -3. Then I have a problem, right? I don't have control with the Q now.
Yes, sir.
See, this clearly says you are not prepared. You are not thought about it at all. Okay, I'll ask someone else. So R5, Safia.
Yes, sir. If Q greater than 0,
Case 1. Okay, let's put it. Case Q greater than 0. Okay, in this case, I have to say a choice. So choose A equal to what? B equal to what? This is what I have to say. Yeah, finish it there.
A in Z.
No. What is the choice of A you say? Not A in Z. Automatically it will be in Z.
P.
Don't confuse yourselves. You have to choose a number. Okay. And of course it should be in Z. A equal to P and what is B?
Q.
But whether A and B belongs to whatever entity we want, then A belongs to A is P, but this belongs to Z. By definition, we know there exists P in Z. Okay. Now B is Q and it is positive. Therefore, B belongs to natural numbers.
N.
That's all. Okay. That's done. Very good. That's what I'm asking. So none of you have thought about it. Okay. I'm again clearing the feedback. Be ready with what is the next case. Quick. I want a lot of responses. I'll give you 30 seconds. Doubts are not entertained now. Because we are going through the proof. This is not the right time to ask any doubts. Unless and until you seriously have a problem. Somebody raised and stopped it. Who is that? You keep your doubt with you. Okay. Be ready, say yes, we will ask you. I'm going to call someone who has not responded. From R2. Nandini Shri. Nandini Shri. Are you absent or present? Nandini Shri. Dhanraj Prasanna. Mentors, make a note of this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where are you? See, when I called, you should respond. Nandini Shri, you don't know what is the next step?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Why you don't know? You are not following the class. If you follow, you will come to know. What is the next step? We have proved for the case Q is positive. So logically there is something, immediate answer. Dhanraj, you also don't know?
Yes, sir. We have to prove for Q is negative.
You know, right? But why you are not responding? This is my thing. What? See, you are having something in your mind and you are not participating. You are speaking something.
No. No, sir.
I am unable to hear you.
So now we are able to hear me, sir.
No, your voice is low. You can mute. I can see R1 Ritu not responding. What is bad network? Let's check whether it's bad network or not. Okay, somebody from R7.
Ramya,
So Q is less than 0.
Okay.
If we choose A equal to minus B
A equal to
minus P,
Q equal to, sorry, B equal
P
to,
equal to minus Q,
very good. B equal to minus Q. Then of course, A belongs to Z. There is no problem at all. But B is what? Q is negative. Therefore, minus Q is positive.
greater than. Yes.
Therefore, B belongs to N. And what is X? Look at X is P by Q, but P by Q can be written as minus P by minus Q, that is A by B. Okay, so X is written as A by B. Our choice of A by B is correct. Excellent, that's all. Okay, this is how one does the proof. Okay, and this can be done in the mind itself. Without pen and pencil, we should be able to do. Let's try. Today, we are going to try some exercises. We'll do it without. Okay. Okay, let's take another set today. I want to ask this question. Okay, let's do this question. We want to say, okay, there is a notation for empty set. Empty set notation is 5, but it is called as empty set. Don't call it as 5. Okay, empty set. Or it is called as null set. We don't use the notation this. Okay, do not use this. So what is empty set? Doesn't contain any member at all. Okay, no members at all. Okay. Now, I want to say empty set. Okay. Given any set, given a set A, given a set A, empty set is a subset of A. Read it as empty set only. So we want to say that empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is a subset of every set. I'm writing it perfectly. Okay, look at this. This is the usual English way of saying empty set is a subset of every set. What is the right way of saying? There is a quantifier. For every is there. That's why I have put given. Given means for every. Given a set A, empty set is going to be a subset of it. Okay. I want to prove this statement. Okay. Can you think of a proof? Quick. I don't have any clue of what set I'm going to give to you. A could be set of butterflies. A could be set of all mobile phones of G4 participants. A could be set of all butterflies. It could be any arbitrary thing. Okay. So I don't know what A is. But I want to prove empty set is a subset of A. Given a set A, empty set is a subset of A. That's what I want to prove. I don't want a proof. Think about how to start the proof. Just 20 seconds. Quick. Very good. I could see some participation. You want 10 more seconds? Let's see how many people are getting increased. Only 11 now. See, say it pinpointedly. We want to prove this. How to start the proof? That's my question. Good. But I can't wait for a long time. Let's ask R2 Jyotika. Quick.
Q by A is subset of A, sir.
No. You are not thinking conceptually at all. That's a problem. Okay. Shweta, R5 Shweta.
So A is equal to pi, sir.
What is that you are telling? I have given you a set of butterflies. How it can be equal to pi? I want to prove empty set is a subset of A. Given a set A, empty set is a subset of A. I want to prove this. You are telling something which is not at all, you are not understood. Okay. Clear all the blocks, just understand. And that's why I have even written in plain English. Okay. Let's ask somebody from R8. Is R8. Charanya. Yeah. Charanya.
Sir,
Hmm.
for all x belongs to A, pi subset of A.
No, you are confused. Okay, let's be clear. All of you are confused. I don't know why. Okay, there is a quantifier, right? What is the quantifier here? Given a set A, empty set, this is the property. Okay, right. There is a quantifier. First, have you identified the quantifier? Clear. I'm clearing the feedback. Quick. What is the quantifier in this statement? This is a very easy question. Okay. Good. Let's ask R9. Akhilandeshwari.
For all.
Okay. Now, I'm again clearing the feedback. For all is the quantifier. There is an underlying set. What is the underlying set for that quantifier? Think carefully. And respond. Why? Only 26. Okay. R7 Soumya. Soumya Rati. Soumya Rati. Quick.
Set of elements in empty set.
No. Given a set A, that is for every set A, correct? For every set A. Therefore, what is the underlying set for the quantifier for all?
Set A.
No, that's wrong. No, for every set A, empty set is a subset of A. So you have got wrong. That's what. Still more thought. Do not worry, but you have to think about this. Okay, R6 Angeline, quick. Set A is not the underlying set. That's wrong. For every, so see, the thing is, for every A belongs to something. No, that is the underlying set I have to think of. Okay, what is that set? For every A in something, empty set is a subset of A. At least now can you tell? In fact, almost I have given the answer. Yeah, that's okay. Right. Said you don't want name and all. You say what it is. You are right. You tell what it is. What is universal? What is? Yeah, tell. No, tell. What is the meaning of that?
A set which is a A set which contains every set, sir.
Very good. Set of all sets, that's all, right?
Set of all sets, yeah.
So for every A in set of all sets, that's what we have written. So given a set A, I want to prove empty set is a subset of A. This is what I got to. Set is given to you. So how do I start the proof? Let A be a set. That should be your first step. So what is that we have to prove? To prove empty set is a subset of A. This is what I have to start. I have asked only this simple thing. Most of you are struggling here. A is given. I want to prove empty set is a subset of A. Okay. I'm clearing all the feedback. Okay. But how do I prove this? I don't have any clue about A. Okay. How do I prove this? Empty set is a subset of A. Now think and tell. How should I prove empty? A is given. A is fixed now. Okay. I want to prove empty set is a subset of A. A could be anything. I don't know what A is. I don't have any clue of the set A. But I want to prove empty set is a subset of A. Okay. Now answer should be quick. We can't spend much. Yeah. R3. Epsiba. Quick.
Sir, actually we are, let's take an assertion that X belongs to A.
No.
So,
I want to prove empty set is a subset of A. Can I take X belongs to A?
sir, I'm taking an element in A.
How can you take element C? If I want to prove B is a subset of C, what will I do? How do I prove B is a subset of C? Start with an element in B or start with an element in C? Where should I start? What is the meaning of saying B is a subset of C?
Every element in C has,
So I have to start with an element only in B and then prove that it is in C.
oh yes, sir.
So
So X
that's where
belongs
logic
to,
is wrong. Okay.
X belongs to null set,
Okay.
and this is always false.
What's the problem? Can I keep like that? What is the definition of null set?
So null set does not have any
I can't
elements.
start with X belongs to null set. Have you understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, how should I start the proof? I'm clearing all the feedback. Almost proof is over. You should now find out and say how we are proving. Yeah, Subika from R6.
Null set belongs to A.
You give funny answers, I don't know. Null set belongs to A is wrong. Null set is a subset of A. See, I'll again saying, please all of you listen carefully. Okay. A is a set. It is like a bus containing passenger. A is bus. Members of A are passengers. A are passengers. Okay. Okay, right. If I say empty set is belongs to A, that means this is also a bus. Bus sitting inside a plain bus. That's an accident, no? How can a bus sit inside bus? Imagine passengers sitting inside bus is very natural. Okay. I'm not saying set can't sit inside something, but see, look at this. If I want to put A inside some set, then it should be a truck containing all buses. Have you understood my analogy? I'm clearing all the feedback. Okay. So, set of all sets means it's a truck containing all sets. Are you understanding? Passengers are inside bus and bus is inside a truck. That's a second level. So There, you can't say empty set belongs to and all. Okay. Anyway, this usually, initially people have problem in understanding. That's why I cleared. But here, there is no clue. Therefore, how to start the proof? Ramya, R7 Ramya, quick.
Sir.
Do you know the proof or not? Quick.
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay, I'm clearing all the feedback. See, there is no clue. Yesterday, do you recall how we proved every 49 or 59 headed human being have 29 legs? I don't know how to see whether the statement is true or not. Therefore, what did I do? I checked whether the negation is true or not. If the negation is true, based on the truth value of negation statement, I can conclude about the original statement. Okay. I don't know whether phi is a subset of A or not. So how should I start the proof? Quick. Yeah. So first one, Devashri. All right.
Sir, we have to go with contradiction.
That's what I want. I want to hear from you, but you have taken this much of time. So you start now, Devashri, quickly finish by contradiction. Suppose.
Suppose empty set is not a subset of A.
By that, what do I mean?
Then empty set have any element.
Go by logic. D is a subset of C means what?
For all x belongs to B, x belongs to C.
D is not a subset of C means what?
There exists x belongs to B, x does not belongs to C.
Therefore, empty set is not a subset of A. Therefore, what should I say?
There exists x belongs to empty set such that x belongs to A. X does not belongs to A.
Do you understand this? Empty set is not a subset of A. By definition, what do I know? I can find an element in empty set with some property. What is the property? X is not in U. It is exactly like what we did before. There exists a 59-headed human being with some property who does not have some leg, blah, 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 blah. But this is wrong. There exists X in empty set is wrong. This is a contradiction. Therefore, phi has to be a subset of it. I'm clearing the feedback. Have you understood? Go through. I'm giving you 30 seconds. If you have understood, say yes. Otherwise, say no. Put doubts, hand raising symbol if you have queries. Very good. Okay. Go back. Not even discussion room exercise. Home exercise. What is home exercise? Check whether empty set is bounded above. Empty set is bounded below. Empty set as a subset of R. Okay. Is bounded above, bounded below. All those things you try to check. Okay. Fantastic. Fine. Okay. Now what I will do is I will describe a set to you. This is not for even discussion room. Go back, think. If you have doubt, we can do it in the next tutorial sessions. Okay. Exactly same type of answer. Okay. Some coaching class kind of problem. Okay. Now let's go. I'm going to give the following set to you. Set of all x in R. Now I will give a set. You identify what it is. There exists y in R such that y square equal to x. Don't be in a hurry. Don't get cheated away. Okay. First, let me ask. I have to find out what A is. But that's not my question. First question. Easy question is A empty? I want response quickly. I thought you will be able to respond quickly. If it is empty, say yes. If it is non-empty, I don't know. There is an element of A. Say no. Very good. But still more responses I need. It looks like you are working in a fashion. Have you formed some special group? Like for this question, I will answer. For this question, you answer. We won't mix. In each group, I am finding the people who have answered previous question are not answering the next question. Don't form any political group and all. That's very bad. Okay. All of you participate. Now, okay, fine. Good. Or you are mentor. Did I leave any team? R2 or 3? I think today I have not asked R4, right? Did I ask?
No, sir. No.
R4. R4 Agastya Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Answer, don't say yes, sir. I want just pinpointed answer. What is it?
A is empty set, sir.
A is empty set.
Yes, sir.
But you have said no. Agastya Lakshmi. R4. But where is your response? I couldn't see your response. Oh, you are in the top now, right? Why do you say it's empty?
A is not empty set, sir.
Not empty set. That means give an element in A. See, if you are saying non-empty, you should have one element, no? Okay. You are not ready?
Yeah.
This is very bad. Okay. R6 Rahul.
There exists fine.
Give an element in A. Don't say there exists and all. Which element?
By?
Why?
Sir, X.
It's collection of real numbers with some property. Y, X and all are names. I don't know. Real numbers. You have to give me numbers. You can't simply say A, B, C, D and all. X, Y and all. Okay.
1.
That's what. Now you are telling 1 belongs to A. Why? All of you think Rahul says 1 belongs to A. Be focused. All of you be ready with the answer. Good. R3 Abhinaya.
Because there exists 1 belongs to R such that 1 squared is equal to 1.
Very good. I can find out. See, if at all 1 belongs to A, this part of the definition should be satisfied. That means I should be able to find Y such that Y square equal to 1. Or in other words, Y square equal to 1 has a real solution. Okay, that's what she says. Yes. Choose Y equal to 1. Okay, then 1 squared equal to 1. Therefore, 1 belongs to A. I am clearing all the feedback. Okay. So is it clear? Right. Okay. Now my question is, give me one more element of A. 1 belongs to A is fine. So therefore, here the answer is A is non-empty. Okay, fine. But we have to really find what A is. Okay, identify. You already we have said 1 is an element of A. Can I say some more elements of A? That's what I want. Quick. R5 Sophia.
-1.
Belongs to A.
0.
0 belongs to A. Fantastic. 0 belongs to A. What's your choice?
Belongs.
Y? If 0 belongs to A, I have to find Y in R such that Y square equal to 0. What is your choice of Y?
0.
0. Very good. Then what else belong to A? Vinaya, you yourself answer. Quick. 0 belongs to A, 1 belongs to A. What else belongs to A?
All the whole numbers.
Whether 2 whole numbers, fine. That's what. Let's ask a whole number. Why whole number? Already we said natural number, integers, rationals, go like that. Okay. I want to say 2 belongs to A. Is it true or false? I'm clearing the feedback. All of you think. This is for all of you. If 2 belongs to A, you are saying yes. If 2 does not belong to A, you are saying no. See? Good. Respond quickly. This is what I want. Think, respond. Right from the first class, I'm telling you, sit in a comfortable place in your home where you get good signals, and also sit in a place where you can concentrate. Okay, I'm happy. 40 of you, 30 or 40 of you have responded so far. Okay, some 12 of you are saying 2 does not belong to A. I want to check with them. R6 Deepika. Why do you say 2 does not belong to A?
So 2 square is 4. 4 is not equal to 2, right?
That's okay. But you are cheating me, no? This is pakka cheating. You are looking at some number which is not equal to square, not equal to. See, if I want to say 2 belongs to A, what should I say? There exists, I have Y in R such that not Y equal to 2, Y square equal to 2. Okay. I want a real number such that Y square equal to 2. Do I have choice of Y? Now you answer, doesn't matter. Can you see a choice of Y? Real number, not integer. I want a choice of real number. Do I have a real number Y such that Y square equal to 2? You know that, right? Hey, quickly. I'm waiting for you. Now, what is that real number? Tell. Don't worry, just tell. Y square equal to 2. What is Y, man? Come on. We are doing all the manipulation right from our high school. If Y square equal to 2, what is Y? Okay. Huh? That's all. Is root 2 a real number or not? It's a real number, right? Not natural, but it's a real number, right? Yes or no? I have one more choice also. Can you say one more choice? 2 square is 2. What is one choice?
Sorry, your voice is breaking, sir.
Huh?
Can you repeat 1 second?
No. You are sitting in a place where you are not concentrating at all. That's the problem. Okay, let me go to someone who says poor connection. Let's try. Akshara P. Can you give another choice of Y? Okay. So all of you should correct, right? There is a real number. Root 2 is not rational, but it's a real number. It's a real number whose square equal to 2. 2 power 1 by 2 square root, right? So there is a real number. This is a real number. So choice is there. Choose y equal to root 2, square is 2. There is one more number. I will simply ask somebody Abhirami. Abhirami, R7.
Sir,
Can you give one more choice of y?
sir, y is equal to 4.
Y equal to 4 means 4 square is not equal to 2. No. Okay, I want this
Yes.
condition. You are not staying focused. I want y in R whose square is 2. Root 2 is one choice. What is the next choice?
Minus root 2.
That's all. If you say focused, you will be able to say there is one more choice. Another choice is one more. I will go to the next page. Y is minus root 2. That is also a real number whose square is 2. Therefore, 2 belongs to A. I'm clearing all the feedback. Have you understood? So therefore, answer is 2 belongs to A. That's wrong. 2 does not belong to A is wrong. That is a real number. Namely, square root of 2. Such that it's enough for me to give one number whose square is 2. Okay. I don't say that there is some number whose square is not equal to that. That's irrelevant. I don't think like that. Now I want to stay focused and find out whether there is a y such that there exists only. I'm not saying for all y in R. That would be a stupid statement. I can't even, okay, think of that. Okay, that leads to something else we'll do later. Okay. Yes, have you understood this? Okay, stay focused. I have to find a y whose square is 2. One choice is square root of 2. One more choice is also there, minus square root of 2. Very good. Okay. Now, can you give an element which is not in A? Is there a real number which is not in U? See, very slow responses. Why? This question is going to be very, very simple. You are not staying focused. Kilandeshwari, Shalini. A lot of people are not Ashwini, Latifa, Harini, Kaushi, Karati. Arati has responded. Sorry. Ramya, Kavipriya, Darshini. Lot of people. I'm not naming most of them. Can't you find an element which is not in here? Already somebody answered actually. It came. You have not thought about it. It came actually. Okay. Let's ask someone from R4 now. I'm random. Yeah. Quick. Agatya Lakshmi. Quick. There is some problem. Okay, Srinidhi.
Sir. Sir.
Srinidhi, tell, we are unable to hear you. We hear only sir. That's why I'm telling, don't say sir.
Minus 2 is not an element of A.
Very good. Why minus 2 is not an element of A?
Because y is root of minus 2. It's an imaginary number.
There is no real number such that y square equal to minus 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Y square equal to, I want to solve for y square equal to minus 2. Okay, you can think in that fashion also, but the thing is, square of any real number is non-negative. Okay, this is the property we want to use for every x in R. X squared is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So here y square is negative. So therefore it cannot be inside. Okay, you can go to do that also. I want to solve y square equal to -2. What are all the solution? Plus or minus √2i. You can think like that also. So the only solutions are √2i and minus √2i. They are complex numbers. They are not real numbers. Therefore, there is no real number which solves this. That angle also you can think. But anyway, let's learn the property of real numbers. Okay. I don't have to go to complex to answer this question. Okay. Property of real numbers is its square is always greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So, very good. -2 does not belong to A. Therefore, putting all these things, okay. Now, find out what A is. Quick. A equal to this. Okay. You should not miss any person. Okay. There should not be any baby's day out. Don't leave a person, he will cry. You can even create a chaos. You have to exactly say. And also don't over say. Exactly. A equal to this set. You could see 1 belongs to A, 0 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 5 belongs to A, P prime number P belongs to A. And -2 does not belong to A. How about -1? That's the question, right question you have to ask. Oh, I have real number. Okay. Draw picture. 0 belongs to A, 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A. These things we have answered. So now geometrically cover. Okay. I hope now you should be ready. I have given a clue. In fact, I have answered also. How about any negative number? No, because square of any real number cannot be negative. Therefore, there is a problem. Okay, let me ask. Still, see, only 38. I thought a lot of people will say. Oh, ask somebody from R 8. Aditi Verma, quick.
Sir, positive real numbers.
But see, baby's day out, no? Suppose I write positive. That's why I said don't give baby's day out. Positive real numbers means what? We know interval definition, right? I'll write 0, infinity, right?
Yes.
So one baby is crying. Which baby? Already you said this.
Whole number, sir.
Don't say whole numbers. That's not right. There is nothing called whole number. What is whole number for you? I don't know what is whole number. The olden British system said, okay, including 0. Natural number including 0 is called whole number. I don't know. It's not there now. Forget about 2 and all. In fact, now I have a question to all of you. I want to ask. There is a problem to still. Whether 1/2 belongs to A? Please answer this question.
Yes, sir.
I want all of you to answer. Whether 1/2 belongs to A or not. So don't say whole number. That's not a correct thing. Okay. Any rational number also. Irrational also is there. Whether √2 belongs to A? Yes. I can find y square equal to √2. That means I know what is its solution. Right? I'll take again cube root. 4th root. Right? So those things exist. I know. So what is the correct answer? Can you correct now? Okay, let's ask someone else. R5 Kavi Priya. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm clearing the feedback. Those who feel this is correct, say yes. If it is wrong, say no. Quick. See, we could see a lot of politicians. 5 it came, then suddenly it's dropping out. 3, 2. After seeing a lot of people have answered no, you are changing the answer. That's unfair. Stay with your thought. Understand, admit your mistakes, no problem. See, we said no, making mistakes is our birthright. Do not worry. Let's learn. Already we said 0 belong to A. Open interval 0, infinity means what? Yeah, Sophia, R5 Sophia, quick.
Sir, it's wrong.
Yeah,
Closed,
what is the right thing? Correct.
closed interval 0, infinity.
That's all. Or in other words, if I want to describe set of all real numbers which are greater than or equal to 0. 0 belongs to A. Here open interval means 0 is not allowed. Already we said 0 belongs to A. Yeah? Okay. See, the thing is, we have said that A is this. Okay, go back and try to prove this. Okay. For fun's sake, I will call this as A2. Okay. Even though I am writing A, we have to change every place. So here I will write. For me, A2 is what? Set of all x in R such that there exists y in R such that y square equal to x. Okay. Now let me write what is A3. What is A3? A3 is set of all x in R such that same thing, that 2 is for the power of y cubed equal to x. Now, can all of you identify? Now, no more questions. I'll give you 30 seconds or even 40 seconds. Just tell me what is A3. A3 equal to. See, if here you have answered no, something like this. Quick start. If you have got the answer, put. Yeah. 20 seconds over. Good. I could see a lot of people are ready. That's good. Again, ask same questions I got to ask. Don't go by any formula now. Where 0 belongs to A3. For that, what is that I have to do? I have to find a real number y such that y cubed equal to 0. Do I have a solution for this equation? Y cubed equal to 0? Yes. Real solution. A real number y such that y cubed equal to 0. Go through. All these things should come to your question. Whether 2 belongs to A3? Okay. All these questions you should ask. Okay. And finally, be ready with what A3 is. What happened, Kavi Priya? Darshini, still thinking? Deepika, R6 Deepika. Radhika. Not responding at all. Okay, let us ask R8 Matish. R8 Matish.
So the same closed interval 0, infinity.
Oh, lot of babies there. Lot of people are crying. Matish, whether -1 belongs to A3 or not?
Yes, sir.
Then you are left out. You are telling 0, infinity. That's wrong, no? -1 belongs to A3, true or false?
Sir, open interval minus infinity, infinity.
What is it? Good. What do you mean by minus infinity, infinity? There are no conditions. That means A3 is set of all real numbers. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So erratic. You are jumping from here and there. Okay. I didn't expect you will say minus infinity command. That's good. Because -1 belongs to A3. Why? I have to give a real number y such that y cubed equal to -1. Now there is a choice for y. What is the choice? Atish, tell.
Sir,
What is y such that y cubed equal to -1? You are not
minus 1.
y equal to what? -1. Okay, therefore minus. Do I have a choice? Y cubed equal to -2? Yes. What is y? Cube root of 2 minus cube root of 2. Okay, 2 power 1 by 3. There is a choice. 2 power 1 by. Given a positive number, I can find nth root itself, cube root itself. Negative of. Okay, what people call additive inverse. It is there. So therefore, A3 is entire set of real numbers. Okay. See, this is what we are not going to stop this. I am going to write general AN equal to set of all X in R such that there exists Y in R with what property? Y power n equal to X. So what should be the answer? This is what is called as pattern recognition. So this is A2. Already we have answered A2. For that you want a chart. A2 is closed interval 0, infinity. Already I have A1. What is A1? Y equal to X. Can one of you answer what it is? What is A1? Quick. Identify the set A1. What is A1? All of you know the definition, right? There exists X in R. Sorry, collection of all X in R such that there exists Y in R with what property? Y equal to X. What is that set? Quick. Very good. R7, Kalishwari.
It's a set of all real numbers.
Very good. So that is set of all real numbers. Good. See, look at how nice it is. There exists Y in R such that Y equal to X. Therefore, what is the choice of Y? Take it to be X itself. That's all. Each time I have to find a Y. If I want to say some element is there in A1, I have to say that the condition is satisfied. I have to find a Y such that Y, okay, Y in R such that Y equal to X. That's that. So what is A3? Already we have answered. So now what is A4? What is A5? Okay, ask all the questions and try to answer the general AN quick. Just I want only the answer. Proofs and all we can discuss in the breakout room. By now itself you should have a pattern. Very good. Let's ask with only, but please answer no. I think you have to identify. I have written all the things for you. A1 is R, A2 is only you have to ask what is A4, A5, A6, A7. Therefore, what is the general pattern? R7 Abhirami. I don't know what you are doing. Soumya Rati, Ramya, Arati, Harini, R7. Lot of people are not answering. Let's go to R5. Let's see. Very good. R3. I'm happy. Lot of people are ready in R3. That's excellent. Let's ask Denzel.
Yes, sir. Real number, sir.
No, I'm asking you what is AN for any arbitrary n. How will you say that?
0, infinity.
You not got that point. Okay. R3, Udaya Chandrika.
Sir, closed interval 0, infinity.
AN equal to closed interval 0, infinity. This is for general given in India. We know what AN is. I want to answer. What is AN equal to? Only closed interval 0, infinity. A1 is closed interval 0, infinity. All right.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer?
Sir, Shini sir, there is some audio issue at your end.
He has some audio problem. You mute Dechadita. See?
I think it's at your end.
No, it's not in my.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine now.
Uday Chandrika, do you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, A1 is R, A2 is close 0, infinity. For what pattern do you understand? Okay, next.
Shini sir, there is some audio issue at your end. I guess it's the voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Is it clear now?
Now fine, sir. Now fine.
Okay. See, that's not with me. Possibly opening it.
No, it was one of the mentors. I mean,
Yeah. Okay. Let's go for somebody. Or let's ask somebody from R9. Quick. Malati.
There are two cases. If n is belongs to set of R numbers, then
Good.
closed interval 0, infinity.
Very good. So AN.
Then if n is
Very good. So AN is closed interval 0, infinity if n is odd. Okay. Then continue, please.
if n is even, then exists a real number.
Set of real numbers. Very good. So you have to identify. Already we have said everything. You are not collecting. Okay. Collectively you have to understand. This is what is called as finding the pattern. Okay. Yeah. Devashri, please answer.
Sir, if n is odd, it is a real number, sir. If n is even, then close bracket.
Thank you. Very good. You are right. Very good. Okay. Right. Now let's play a game. Okay. So I am writing a set. You are identifying what it is. Now I'm going to do the other way around. I will give you what the set is. You have to describe it in different fashions. Okay. One set like that is empty set. Okay. Describe empty set as a subset of R. Okay. Okay. I'll write down clearly. Write down A as a subset of R and A should be equal to empty set. Finally, A should be turn out to be empty set. Okay. So without clue, I'm asking whether one of you are ready. So I'm already telling I have to write it as a subset of R. So one way of writing. Okay. First A. I'll try. First. Okay. A is set of all X in R with some condition I have to put. But finally, it should turn out that this A should be an empty set. Okay. Yeah. Quick. Whether anyone is having idea? Quick. 30 seconds. Very good. 4 of you are ready. Let's see whether you have 4 different sets. Oh, now 7 different sets. This is fun. Okay, this is very creative exercise. Okay, you can create as many as you can. Don't fall in single trap. Okay, so let's do some example. Okay, so that you be ready with yours. Okay, I'm going to ask R8 Krishnamurthy.
X belongs to complex numbers. X belongs to set of complex numbers.
No? Describe something that is too blunt for me. Okay, let me ask someone. R9 Malati.
So x square is equal to -1.
Excellent. X square equal to -1. Look at how she captured the idea. We just now said, what is the property of real numbers? Square cannot be negative. So she is taking, collect all real numbers whose square is -1. That cannot happen at all. This will turn out to be empty set. Whether all of you have understood? Okay. Actually, this is one particular example of a property. What is the property we discussed? For every x in R, x squared is greater than or equal to 0. So, still the better way. See, if I want new examples, don't say x square equal to -2, x square equal to -3. They are all not new example because they are all same example because it captures only this property. They want to violate this property. This is one way of violating. But let's write down general way. What is the negation? I'll write down the negation. There exists x in R such that x square is less than 0. This cannot, this is a false statement because this is true. Right? Okay. So therefore, how should I write it in a better way? Yeah. I'll clear the feedback. Now you write, give a better A. A equal to, yeah. Be ready. Only 3. My God. It's a lot of time for you. Okay, R9 Shalini.
A is equal to x belongs to R
Hmm.
such that x square greater than or equal to 0.
Greater than or equal to 0. Then so, okay, what is this set? Shalini, tell me what is A? A equal to, what is the answer?
Sorry, sir, I can't say. X square less than
Okay, you say the answer. What is the thing? A, if I write like
1, 0, 1, 2.
no. Tell me what is this? A equal to?
0, 1, 2, 3.
This says for every x in R, x squared will be greater than or equal to 0. So therefore, what should be the answer for A? See, mistakenly you have said this. Doesn't matter. Let's identify what this set is. What is A?
Minus.
No. Every real number satisfies this property, no? So therefore, what should be A? Quick.
Real number.
Set of real, all real numbers will come. If I write like this, if I write the true statement, everything is satisfies. So therefore, A will be equal to R. But I want empty set. Therefore, how should I write?
X square
So
less than.
I'll write, okay, A star. Then A star equal to R. R will simply say B. Then B equal to, we don't want this B. So better way of writing A is, the correct way is?
X belongs to R, x square less than 0.
That means this property I want to, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, write the negative. This is true for all real. I'm capturing this property and then forming a set based on this property. Okay, very good. Okay. In fact, we are nearing time, but still, I'll take 3 more minutes extra and ask one more example. But do not give this. Same thing should not come. So try to capture some property and try to construct an empty set. Already, some of you should have done that. So quickly, you can say. You can't again say set of all x in R such that x square equal to -3 because same property only. I want a different property. Okay. But finally, the thing should be empty set. It's a very creative exercise. It all tells how you should think. There is no unique, plenty of answers are possible. Okay. Let me ask Aditi Verma. All right, Aditi Verma, quick.
Sir, A is equal to x belongs to R such that modulus of x is equal to -1.
Very good. All x in R such that modulus of x equal to, but can you say it better? Again, you are doing the same thing, no? What property you are capturing? Okay, I'll write what you have said. This is excellent, 100% correct. But what is the property you have used here? Aditi.
Sir,
Say which property you have used here. About which function?
the modulus function.
What is the property?
Modulus.
What is the property of modulus function you have captured? Quick. For all x in R, what should happen to modulus of x?
Modulus of x is, should be equal to -1, sir.
That is your empty set. But what is the property of modulus function? I am asking.
No, Aditi, why it is empty set? Aditi, why it is empty set?
Sir, because if modulus of any number should be a positive number, sir. Positive. It should be positive.
Really positive? Is there
Yes,
something bad? What about mod 0?
Sir, 0 will become 0, sir.
But that is not positive. So correct your answer and say modulus of any real number is
Neither.
also included positive or 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So modulus of x should be, what is the correct inequality I should use? Very easy question. Greater than or equal to 0. Okay, I don't know why you are taking this much time for this. Is the property. You have violated. Again, you can write a better set. But anyway, let me ask one more because we are running short of time. Whether any one of you have, okay, I'm clearing the feedback. Apart from this, do you have any other empty set? Quick. Very good. Lot of examples. Let me go to someone who is in the first thing. Let me ask from R1. Ritu, yes.
Sir, A equals to x belongs to R such that x square equals to root of -2.
And then again, you are capturing only the same idea. So it's not different. Okay, R1, Jayashri.
Set of x belongs to Z.
Z.
There exists n belongs
R. I want only as a subset of R. Already I have said. You can't put x belong to Z as a subset of R. Now you can't look at properties of integers. You have to look at only properties of real numbers and say. Is that okay, Ritu?
So root of -2 won't come in real number.
You are capturing only this property, man. Square of any real number greater than or equal. Again, you have not followed. Go to the discussion room. Follow. Yeah, Hepzibah, quick. Your example.
A is equal to x, a set of x belongs to R, that x square is equal to 2 plus 3i.
This is again same thing. I don't know what is 2 plus 3i and all. Okay. R5, Lekha Shri.
Sir, A is equal to set of x in R such that x plus 0 not equal to x.
Very good. Excellent. Which property you have captured?
Additive identities.
0 is the additive identity. What should happen? For all x in R, x plus 0 equal to x. Now,
Yes, sir.
if I negate this statement, this is false statement. There exists x in R such that x plus 0, okay, not equal to x. This is false statement. No x satisfies this. Therefore, purposely she is collecting all this. Okay, fantastic, very good. Okay, like this, there are a lot of other. See, go through. Okay. Anyway, next class we'll continue with the 2 or 3. Go to the discussion hour. Last fag and only you discuss. Try to give new examples. Okay, I'll stop. Divya, I'm stopping now.
Yes, sir.
We'll
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, YouTube viewers also.
Yes, sir. YouTube viewers, yes, Baba sir wants to add a note to you. Please wait for a minute.
Yeah.
Sir, over to you.
Yeah, on behalf of organizing team, I'm also expressing this view that we're extremely happy for many viewers are viewing. They are watching this, the YouTube live streaming of this program and also actively participating. In fact, would like to see that more and more participants, they watch the program live. You see that while it's being live streamed, there are not many participants, but in fact, maybe there are regions. So many participants or many other people, they view YouTube, these videos later on. There is an incentive for those who are viewing this live stream. So I'm actually, you see the chat, live chat, there will be an email ID. Okay, you just note this. Those who are regularly attending this or watching this video, and also those who are actively participating in discussion on the live stream. So they may write just a mail to this email ID, giving your details in the sense that your name, your institute, your course of study, and also your YouTube, your credential in the sense your whatever you call login. Okay, so that kindly send it to us. Probably would like to have your feedback later on, and we may have something to offer you at later stage. So please write a mail to this email ID. Okay, I once again thank all of you for actively participating the YouTube live streaming. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.